by the sport. 2006, he took his talent to Sweden to compete in the Advanced Aerobatic World Championship competition. He also has competed in the Reno Air Races. And in 2010, he competed in the Lone Star Aerobatic Championship and earned himself the title of Lone Star Unlimited Champion. Jason Newberg.